Mike Bursley here with the Remax Steering Team. I'm here today with Josh Insing of Horizon Exterior Cleaning. And now that spring has sprung, we've all gotten outside, looked at doing that spring cleanup, and that's what we're here today to talk about. So thanks for coming in and joining us today, Josh.
Absolutely, Mike. It's good to be here, and like you say, spring is here, and it's our time of year. So
it is. So one thing that we always look at landscape work first off. That's one of those things that us homeowners look at, but we really sometimes ignore those things with our home that we may not realize. That organic growth per se. That we don't really look at. We see it on our roofs, we see it on our siding, sometimes we see it on our landscape rocks per se, and we just kind of ignore it and don't really pay much attention to it, and it can cause damage to our homes. Am I correct?
yes, you are correct. And what we kind of found out is people have those things, and some people like that. I'll call it the ivy look. They like that grown in where you get that dark looking organic on stones, and retaining walls is a big one. But a lot of times people ask, well, why do you clean those things, or how do you clean those things? Well, we ask. Some people aren't going after that ivy look, and they want those things cleaned. Moss and that organic growth that can get in there and deteriorate things. It's got to feed on something, so it's feeding on the surface, and it looks bad. People want that fresh, new, clean look.
So to clean that stuff off, I take it there's a number of different things, maybe such as detergents that you use on houses, and I'm sure there's different ones, but depending on what it is. If it's a roof that I've seen you guys handle that, where you can clean roofs. I've even seen the things to where you can clean fences. I actually seen something that was pretty neat. That I seen an old fence that you guys, it looked probably 30 years old, and it ended up looking brand new by the time you were all said and done. So explain a little bit about what you use and how, what you use to make that transition and clean that stuff off.
We use soaps to clean. The old methods of cleaning were water or heat, and then just high pressure. We really found out that that's not cleaning on the microscopic level. It's not. It may look the same or close to the same, but it's not providing that deep clean, and it does a lot of damage to certain surfaces. So we use 100% biodegradable detergent, and we spray that on, and that's really what soft washing is. It's no different than we all shower every day. We use soap. We use soap when we clean your house, just like you use soap when you clean a car. So it just makes sense, and we applied it to our industry, and we can protect your investment in your home. So.
All right, let's talk about some of those exterior surfaces that you can maintain and clean for people.
There's many surfaces. Your typical home will have vinyl siding, but you run into stucco homes, wood plank siding. You have hardy board siding, painted surfaces. You have flat surfaces like stamped concrete, and all those various surfaces require a different strength of cleaner and sometimes a different cleaner. We have metering dials, so we can intake the elements that require for each surface, and we can meter those precisely to clean those surfaces, and then use some of our machines and processes to make sure we can get the best clean, but keeping the integrity of that surface intact. So that's the important thing, is we want to just leave with a clean surface or clean item, and nothing else. So
okay, so as a homeowner, you can clean surfaces from my roof to my driveway. I mean, let's break down what all you can offer to our customers.
Yeah, there's things out of the norm, but the standard is really, a lot of times where we'll quote people, is we do window cleaning.
Okay.
We'll do roof cleaning, and that's shingle roofs, or even a steel, like a barn roof you see on your typical barn. And then we can do like cedar shakes, and really any surface on the exterior of a home can be cleaned. It's just a matter of finding out what it's required of it and what kind of organic growth and the buildup that it has, and we can kind of break that down, and we price that out when we go to a customer's home, and we break it all down for them. A lot of
Nice.
decks and all that kind of stuff, fences.
Nice. If you're looking to give your home that extra little bit of curb appeal, these are the guys that you want to contact. Josh, where are some ways that we can see the work that you've done and how to contact you?
We got lots of videos on Facebook, also our website, 616clean.com, like the area code, clean.com. And then also message us. We have lots of videos, and mainly most of our content's on Facebook.
Perfect. Thank you, Josh, for taking the time to spend with us, informing our audience of what they can do and what else you can do to improve the value of their home and keep it looking good.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us, and check us out, 616clean.com.
Thank you.